it's Lynn with another JVI Garden Guides video. Today I am here with one of our garden guides and houseplant extraordinaire, Sadi.
Hi!
In this episode of Garden Guides, we are going to go over pruning shrubs. We talked about what time of the year to prune shrubs in an earlier video, so be sure to check that one out as well. Theoretically, these shrubs are ones that we are going to prune when they are completely dormant later on in the winter, but for the fun of it, we're going to prune them now to give you an idea. So what do you have here, Sadi?
This is a gold thread spirea. Spireas can be shaped when they're dormant, so this one we have shaped into a mound.
Beautiful. The same can be said for butterfly bushes. If you want to reduce their size, when they're dormant in the wintertime is the time to do it. So the limelight hydrangea is kind of a curveball. This is one we get questions about a lot at the garden center. When limelights are in full bloom, you might notice that they kind of bend when they get wet. Their blooms are so heavy that the plant tips over. There are ways that you can prune it in the wintertime when it's completely dormant to strengthen it so that it can stand up on its own. So what I'm going to have Sadi do is find the old cut that the grower made. There we are. And you're going to aim your cut just above that. Wherever you cut a limelight hydrangea, you're going to get 2 branches. So by keeping that cut lower to the ground, you're really going to strengthen the base of the plant while also making sure it's not so top heavy. Yeah. And make sure you're going, just above your leaf. Aiming right above the node, you're eliminating all of that extra wood that could get infected by bugs or disease.
Make sure you remove the leaves off of the base of the plant to prevent any bugs from overwintering or any diseases coming to your plant.
You can even collect the old flowers and dry them and use them in wreaths for decorations, all kinds of fun stuff. Again, this is just an example. A lot of these shrubs you want to wait until later in the season when they're completely dormant to prune them.
As always, we weren't able to cover everything in this video, so make sure that if you have any questions or you need any help with your specific plants, give us a call or come on into the garden center and we would love to help you out.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our Instagram to see what's happening at the garden center, and like us on Facebook.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
If you want, you can move those to the side and pull that in the middle and give just enough space between the two of you. Oh!
Are you okay?
It moved.